We look up at the night sky, and almost instinctively we believe we are seeing the universe. Tiny points of light scattered across the darkness, distant galaxies glowing faintly. A vast, silent ocean of space, stretching endlessly in every direction. For thousands of years, this view convinced humanity that we understood where we are, that the universe was something visible, something measurable, something we could slowly map and comprehend. But the truth is far more unsettling. Everything you can see, everything that shines, everything ever recorded by a telescope, all of it combined represents only a small fraction of reality. Only 5%. The remaining 95% of the universe is completely invisible. It does not glow. It does not reflect light. It cannot be observed directly. And yet, it governs everything. This is not a theory designed to sound mysterious. This is the conclusion modern physics has been forced to accept. Scientists often speak about something called the observable universe. This phrase can be misleading. It does not mean the entire universe. It simply refers to the part of the cosmos whose light has had enough time to reach Earth. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. But the observable universe is far larger than 13.8 billion light-years. In fact, its diameter exceeds 93 billion light-years. At first glance, this seems impossible. How can something younger than 14 billion years appear larger than 90 billion light-years? The answer lies in the nature of space itself. Space is not static. It stretches. It expands. As time passes, the distance between galaxies increases. Even while light is traveling toward us, the space it moves through continues to grow. This means that when we look into the universe, we are never seeing it as it is right now. We are always looking backward in time. Every galaxy is a message from the past. Every star is a delayed echo. Within this observable region, astronomers estimate there are hundreds of billions of galaxies. Some calculations suggest the number may reach into the trillions. Each galaxy contains billions, sometimes trillions, of stars. Around many of those stars, planets slowly orbit, worlds beyond counting. The scale is almost impossible to fully grasp. And yet, despite all this vastness, despite all this complexity, everything we see still amounts to only 5% of what actually exists. As astronomers began studying galaxies more closely, they noticed something deeply troubling. Galaxies rotate, but they rotate far too fast. At the observed speeds, the gravity produced by visible matter should not be strong enough to hold them together. Stars near the outer edges should be flung into empty space. Galaxies should tear themselves apart, but they do not. They remain intact, calm, stable, bound together by something unseen. There had to be an explanation. Something invisible must be providing additional gravity. Something massive. Something that could not be detected by light. This realization led scientists to a radical conclusion. There must exist a form of matter that does not interact with light at all. Matter that neither emits nor reflects radiation. Matter that reveals itself only through its gravitational influence. This unseen substance became known as dark matter. Dark matter does not glow. It does not absorb light. It passes through ordinary matter almost without interaction. But it has mass. And where there is mass, there is gravity. Dark matter forms vast halos around galaxies. It acts as an invisible scaffold, guiding how galaxies form, how they grow, and how they remain stable. Without dark matter, galaxies as we know them would not exist. We cannot see dark matter directly. We detect it indirectly, through the motion of stars, through the bending of light around massive objects, through the large-scale structure of the universe. According to current models, dark matter accounts for approximately 27% of the universe. But even this discovery was not the end of the mystery. In the late 1990s, astronomers made another shocking observation. The universe is expanding. This much had been known for decades, but new data revealed something unexpected. The expansion is accelerating. Instead of slowing down under gravity, the universe is stretching faster over time. This result contradicted everything scientists expected. Gravity should pull matter together. It should slow cosmic expansion. But the opposite was happening. Something was pushing space apart. To explain this acceleration, scientists were forced to introduce another unknown component, a form of energy that permeates space itself. An energy that does not clump, does not form structures, and does not behave like anything we are familiar with. This became known as dark energy. Dark energy exists everywhere. It is embedded in the fabric of space. As the universe expands, dark energy does not dilute. Instead, it becomes more dominant. Its effect is subtle on small scales, but overwhelming across cosmic distances. Dark energy is now believed to make up approximately 68% of the universe. Without it, the cosmos would look entirely different. And yet, despite its dominance, we understand almost nothing about its true nature. When we combine everything we know, a remarkable picture emerges. 5% visible matter, 27% dark matter, 68% dark energy. Everything we have ever seen, everything we have ever touched, everything we have ever experienced belongs to just 5% of reality. This realization profoundly changes our understanding of existence. We are not observing the full universe. We are living inside a small, visible fragment of something vastly larger. It is like standing on the surface of an ocean and believing you understand its depths. Below lies a hidden world, silent, immense, largely unknown. As technology advances, we continue to push deeper into the cosmos. New telescopes allow us to see galaxies that formed only a few 100 million years after the beginning of time. We can observe light that has traveled for billions of years. But even the most powerful instruments have limits. Beyond a certain distance, light will never reach us. There are regions of the universe that are permanently hidden. Galaxies already beyond our cosmic horizon. Their light is moving away faster than it can ever arrive. They exist, but for us, they are forever unreachable. This means the observable universe is not only incomplete. In a sense, it is shrinking. Over time, more galaxies disappear beyond the horizon. The future universe will appear darker, quieter, more isolated. Yet despite all we cannot see, the hidden universe shapes everything. Dark matter governs the formation of galaxies. Dark energy determines the ultimate fate of the cosmos. The invisible majority defines reality itself. For centuries, humanity believed that knowledge would eventually reveal all secrets. that with better tools and deeper understanding, the universe would become fully known. But the deeper we look, the clearer it becomes. We are not uncovering certainty. We are uncovering mystery. The universe is not just larger than we once imagined. It is stranger. Most of it is hidden. Most of it is unknown. And most of it may remain beyond our reach forever. So the question remains, if we only see 5% of reality, what exists in the other 95? And how much of existence will forever lie beyond our ability to know?